For years, all eyes have been on China's massive military buildup, an arsenal of advanced weapons and a pace of modernization that seemed almost unstoppable. But while the world was watching Beijing, India was quietly working on an answer, a secret weapon that has just been revealed to the world. It's called Project Vishnu, and it might just change the balance of power in Asia for good. To really get what a big deal this is, you first have to understand the problem India was facing. For years, a huge strategic challenge has been brewing on its northern border. China's military modernization isn't just fast, it's staggering, with everything from stealth fighters to massive naval fleets. The tense standoffs in places like the Galwan Valley served as a sharp reminder of this new reality. This created a feeling that the military gap was getting wider, leaving many to wonder how India could effectively deter a technologically superior neighbor. Beijing's growing arsenal put strategic locations at risk and projected power across the Indo-Pacific. India didn't just need a better defense, it needed something that could completely flip the script, a true game changer. And that game changer, developed in the shadows under a highly classified initiative led by the DRDO, is Project Vishnu. At its core is a hypersonic cruise missile, a weapon so fast and agile it's a revolution in modern warfare. And we're not talking about hypotheticals anymore. Between July 14th and 18th, 2025, India successfully tested the program's crown jewel, the Extended Trajectory Long Duration Hypersonic Cruise Missile, or ET-LDHCM. While the project was born in secrecy, this test was publicly reported, confirming a massive breakthrough. So what exactly is a hypersonic missile? Imagine an object screaming past at over 5 times the speed of sound, but with the ability to dodge and weave on its way to the target. Unlike a ballistic missile with a predictable path, a hypersonic weapon flies low and can maneuver mid-flight, making it nearly impossible for today's air defense systems to stop. The ET-LDHCM reportedly hit speeds of up to Mach 8, powered by a state-of-the-art indigenously developed scramjet engine. This advanced engine lets it travel huge distances, with a target range of 1,500 kilometers, allowing it to hit targets deep inside enemy territory from a safe distance. And that's what makes Project Vishnu so incredibly strategic. According to defense analysts, a missile with this combination of speed, range, and maneuverability could neutralize many of China's key advantages. Its ability to fly low and fast slashes warning times, making even the most advanced air defense systems vulnerable. The program's goal is to launch this missile from anywhere, land, sea, or air, giving India incredible flexibility. Think about what that means. High-value targets, from command centers to critical infrastructure, are suddenly no longer safe havens. This capability guarantees that India can always hit back hard, significantly boosting its deterrent posture. This isn't just about adding a new missile, it's about rewriting the rules of the game. Pulling this off is a massive achievement. It puts India into a very exclusive club of nations with their own homegrown hypersonic technology, a list that until now really only included the United States, Russia, and China. This leap, developed entirely in-house, proves that India's defense industry is becoming a serious force and underscores its commitment to self-reliance. It sends a clear signal to the world that India isn't just a regional player anymore, but a rising global power. So, while the world's attention was fixed on China's military parades, India was busy forging its own path. Project Vishnu is a bold, powerful answer to the strategic challenges of the 21st century. It's a symbol of Indian innovation and the nation's resolve to protect its interests. Now that the secret's out, one thing is certain. The strategic balance in Asia is changing, and it's changing fast. What do you think about this huge development? Is hypersonic technology the future of warfare? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to keep up with the tech and geopolitics shaping our world, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.